Building a desired template is never easier using Foxify. And if you want to find a successful yet simple Shopify storefront to ignite your creative fire, check out EmmaBridgewater. This UK-based pottery brand is a popular destination for shoppers looking for unique gifts and inspiration. Welcome to Foxify Tutorials. In this video, we will use Foxify to build a newsletter section based on this popular Shopify site.
A theme can be considered the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. We proudly present to you Zest, a solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility, optimized for conversion and packed with built-in features, and especially dealt with the success of mobile commerce in mind. Your store is generated by clean code, tested and approved by Shopify. Ready to grow your business using the most beloved theme and get support from our dedicated team. Join the mobile revolution with Zest.
Now, let's get started. First, I will upload my custom font to the library. Based on your branding purposes or designs, you may need to use custom fonts. Here, I add the font that is similar to one used by EmmaBridgewater on their site. Then, I will create a blank template. Give the template a name and set the layout for it. Now I am in the page editor. I will add a newsletter section. There are some section presets for quick setup that you can choose from. You can also change the preset anytime you want. Right, now I will customize the section heading by choosing a font, adjusting its size, color if needed. Similar with the body text. For the email form, I will adjust the border color, text color to reflect the design. Here I will update my button style in Global Styles. To learn more about this powerful feature, check out our video for it. Done. Now I will add a background color to my new section. And also some padding to it by adding the value manually in the Styles tab. But you can also use the live margin and padding feature. Save the changes and reload the template to see the new button style. Now I will add a background color to my new section. And also some padding to it by adding the value manually in the Styles tab. But you can also use the live margin and padding feature. Once you have done, remember to save the template. If you like our video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you won't miss any other future videos. Thank you for watching.